So group by clause, it is used to group rows that have same values or to group identical data into groups. Or we can say to break table into different groups. Group by clause often used with aggregate functions such as average, funcs, sum, max, min and count. It is generally used to produce a summary report. Here the question to show number of students in each class. So here we are breaking table into class wise record, that is number of students in each class. So here you can see we have one student in class 12th, student in class 11th and two students in class 9th and one student in class 10th. So this is overall information of the student table. So for number of students in each class, for that we have to use group by clause here. How we can you do this? Select class, comma, count asterisk. It will count number of records from name of the student group by class. So this query will produce result like this. Ninth class number of students are 2, 10, 1, 11, 1 and number of students in class 12th 1. So in this way group by clause break down table into specified condition or as per the information required. Here you can see count asterisk it is written here or displayed here. We can write here number of students. For this we will use alias. So after count asterisk we can write as number of students. So in place of count asterisk the answer, the column name will be number of students for display only. So you can see in place of count asterisk now we have number of students. This is known as alias, means alternate name in place of count asterisk. Now we can take another example to show average fee paid by each class. So the query will be select class comma average fee. We will use average function from table name group by class. So the result of the query is this is average fee and this is class. So we have answer class wise answer average fee. So this is the result of group by clause. So the group by clause is used to group the identical data like this. Now having clause. Having clause is used with group by clause to satisfy condition. So in group by clause in place of where we use having clause to satisfy different conditions. Let us take an example. Display class wise information whose average class fee is more than 3000. So we want to display result or information class wise, but the condition is whose average fee is more than 3000. So the query will be select class comma average fee from student group by class having average fee greater than 3000. Here we have used having in place of where. So this is the output of query class ninth average fee this and the condition was greater than 3000. So all the values are greater than 3000. You can check here. Now take one more example. Display class wise information where number of students more than 1. So we want class wise information, but the number of students in that class will must be more than 1. So for this we will use select class comma count asterisk. Count asterisk will count number of records from student table group by class having in place of where clause count asterisk greater than 1. So you can see only class 9 have number of student greater than 1. So the output is in front of you and the condition greater than 1 is satisfied here. Now next is order by clause. Order by clause is used to represent or to show data in ascending or descending order. For example, to display names, that is student names in ascending order. So our query will be select asterisk from student order by name. There is no need to write ASC. It is optional here because ascending order is by default. Now you can see all the names are in ascending order, or all the information is in ascending order of the specified condition, that is name of the column. Now for descending order, to display names in descending order we have to use DESC in place of ASC. So the query will be select asterisk from table name, that is student order by clause name DESC. Now you can see here all the data in reverse order, right, in descending order of the name, right. So with the help of DESC with order by clause we can represent data in descending order, or in place of DESC if we will write ASC, all the data will be in ascending order. Thank you.